Unity overcomes adversity. Once upon a time, in a quaint little village nestled between rolling hills, lived a kind and humble farmer named John. He was known far and wide for his generosity and willingness to help others. One summer, a severe drought plagued the village, causing crops to wither and the river to run dry. The villagers were worried about their future, but John remained optimistic. He decided to share his knowledge of water conservation techniques with everyone. He taught them how to dig small trenches to capture rainwater, how to use it efficiently, and how to nurture their crops even in the absence of abundant water. With John's guidance, the villagers worked together tirelessly. They dug trenches, collected rainwater, and used it wisely. Miraculously, their efforts paid off. The fields that once seemed barren now bore fruits and vegetables. The village was once again filled with life and laughter. As the village prospered, a traveling merchant visited the village. Impressed by their unity and hard work, he offered them a handsome amount for the fertile land. The villagers were tempted by the offer and considered selling the land to him. However, John spoke up. He reminded them of the struggles they had faced together and how they had overcome the drought by working as a community. He emphasized the importance of unity, hard work, and the value of their land, not just in terms of money, but as a source of their livelihood and identity. Inspired by John's words, the villagers declined the merchant's offer. They realized that their unity and hard work had not only brought prosperity back to their village, but had also taught them the importance of sticking together in difficult times. The moral of the story is that unity is strength. When people come together and work towards a common goal, they can overcome even the most challenging obstacles. In times of adversity, cooperation and hard work can lead to prosperity and success, not just for individuals, but for the entire community.